Hello and welcome to PE Academy. This is the part 7 of the video series under sets. So right now we are going to be looking at examples under Venn diagram. And this is the first example we are going to be looking at under Venn diagram. We've looked at other examples which you'll find a link in the description of this video. So this one says, out of 80 students in a class, 32 like orange, 47 like blue, 49 like purple, 23 like orange and black, 14 like orange and purple, 19 like blue and purple, 8 like all the three colors. So represent this information in a Venn diagram. So this is a typical example under Venn diagram, and what we are just going to do right now is just to represent it in a Venn diagram. So in doing that, now we have three different sets, that is orange, blue and purple. So we are going to draw different circles to represent each of those sets. So this is the first one. And the third one. So after drawing it, we put it inside a box. So let's assign it. So let's this one be for orange, and the total people for orange is 32. And then let's have this one for blue, and total people for blue is 47. And then this is purple, P, and total students are like purple is 49. It's 49. So our universal set, which is 80, total number of students in the class, so we can put that somewhere outside beside the box as 80. So now let's start filling them into this Venn diagram. Let's start to assign the total number of students into this diagram. Now when we are dealing with Venn diagram, we always start with the particular one that joined the three together. Sorry, he said 8 likes all the three colors. So now the 8 that likes all the three colors, so this is the part that joins those three together. So if you look at this here, so this is the section that combines all the three, those that likes orange, blue and purple. So this particular section that join them together, and the question says that 8 likes what? All the three colors. So right here we have our 8. So we are going to just be taking it from there. So 19 likes blue and purple. So the section for blue and purple, no, this is the set for blue. This particular circle is for blue, and this one is for purple. So the part that join them together is this one. So this is the section that likes blue and purple. And we are told that 19 like blue and purple. Now, if you look at this section that is 19, now out of that 19, 8, we already have 8 here that likes all the three colors. So what we are going to do is we are going to say 19 minus 8, and that will give us 11. 11. So what we have here is what? Is 11. The question said 19 likes blue and purple. So what we must have here must be equal to that 19. And since we already have 8 here, we'll just minus the 8 from the 19, and we'll be left with what? 11. So we've been able to answer this and answer this. Then the next one says 14 likes orange and purple. Now, this is the circle for orange. That is orange and purple. And this is the circle for purple. Now, this is the part that joins them together for orange and purple. And we were told that 14 likes orange and purple. Now, out of that 14, 8, we already have 8 here that likes all the three colors. So that will be 14 minus 8, and we'll be left with what? With 6. So everything that must be here must be equal to 14, because this represents the section of the student that likes what? Orange and purple. So 6 plus 8 is 14. So we've been able to do this. So the next one is what? 23 likes orange and black. So let's look at the section for orange and black. Now for orange and black, so this is the circle for orange, and this is the this is this circle that represents that of black. Now the part that joins them together is this one. So this is the section that joined them together for those that likes orange and black. And we are told that they are 23. 23 like orange and black. So out of that 23, 8 likes all the three colors. So what we are going to do is just 23 minus 8, and that will give us 15. So we'll be left with with 15. So let's continue. So we've done this already. So the next one says 49 likes purple. Now for purple, 49. If you look at this circle, this is the circle for purple. This is the circle for purple. Now that we've been told that 49 likes purple, what we are going to now do next is that we are going to look for those that likes only purple. So everything you are supposed to have here is to be 49. But out of those 49, we already have 11 here, we already have 8, and we already have 6. So what we are going to do now for purple, that will be 49 minus 11, 11, 8, and 6. 11 plus 8 plus plus 6. And that will give us 25. So here we are going to have 49 minus 25, and that goes to 24. So what we are going to be having here is what? It's 24. So this 24 represent those that like purple only. So in the question we are told that 49 likes purple. So that means everything inside this particular circle or set that for purple must be equals to 49. So by the time you add 24 plus 11 plus 8 plus 6 to give us 49. So let's go to the next color, which is blue. So for blue is 47. Now everything here must be equals to 47. Now we are going to look for those that likes only blue. Only blue. For us to get that, also we'll do the same thing we did to purple for blue. So we've been told that those for blue are 47. So that'll be 47 minus, so every other thing. So that'll be 15 plus 8 plus 11. 15 plus 8 plus 11. So that'll be 47 minus, so 15 plus 8 plus 11, that's 34. So 47 minus 34, that's 13. So right here, what we'll be having here is 13. So by the time we had 13 plus 15 plus 8 plus 11, we'll get 47. So let's do the last one, which is orange. We were told that 32. So 32 like orange. So for orange, so that will be 32. So let's look at the circle for orange. This is that of orange. So that will be minus 15 plus 8 plus 6. Minus 15 plus 8 plus 6. That will be 32 minus, so 15 plus 8 plus 6 minus 29. And that will give us 3. So for this, that's 3. So with this, we've been able to answer the question to represent the formation in a Venn diagram. So what you can just do again is to just redraw the Venn diagram to make it look neat. But I did all this just for us to be able to understand it. So you are still going to be looking at more examples under Venn diagram. So again, like I said earlier, when you are dealing with Venn diagram, you always start with the particular one that joins all the three elements together, and which is 8. So that's how we started from 8. The ones that are with 3 down to 2 and 1. So with that, we'll be able to solve questions under Venn diagram. So in the next part of this video, we're also going to be looking at more examples that will give us more knowledge about Venn diagram. Don't forget, if you are yet to subscribe to P Academy, please click on the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next part of this video. Thank you.